My name is Dot and I'm going to show you how you can add and view PDF files in BotMD. So you'll notice in your library that we've added a functionality for you to be able to add PDF files from your phone. And all you have to do is to go into your downloads folder or wherever your file is and add it. So I'm going to add a guidelines file, and this triggers the tagging flow, which allows me to be able to tag the file that I'm adding to the library so I can find it really easily. And so you can see that it automatically gets added. When I tap on it, I get to view that file instantly. Now in the future, if I were to add other files, for example, I can automatically auto-suggest tags based on what I've tagged in the past, and that allows me to be able to organize my files very easily. So you can see how these two files have now been grouped into a folder called diabetes. And so I have the ability not only to be able to view these files, I can also send an email link to myself to be able to download these files.